Introducing Australian JSAs and high-risk construction work SWMS. Australian customers are now able to create JSAs and SWMS for any job they create in Tradify, on site or in the office. To access the forms, head into a created job on the system. You'll then see the tab Forms. You can then select Create Form and choose the form you wish to create. Simply follow the form sections, such as adding your hazards and control methods, to complete the form. Once the form is completed and saved, it will be stored within the job on your Tradify account. You can then take a look at your completed form by selecting Print. Reduce the amount of paperwork and double handling in your business with Tradify Forms.